Some homes are meant to be the center of a lifetime of memories, just like this one. From the first steps on the front porch to the sound of laughter echoing through the backyard, this is a place where childhood takes root. Just a short walk from Kidston Elementary and Kalamalka Secondary. Mornings here begin with breakfast at the kitchen table and sleepy goodbyes as the kids head off to school. Evenings are for backyard barbecues, homework at the counter, and stories shared around the dinner table. And when summer rolls around and the backyard becomes the heart of it all, a sparkling pool offers endless fun, laughter, and moments that turn into a lifetime of memories. On weekends, adventure is just minutes away. From scenic hikes or mountain biking in Kalamalka Park, boating on the lake, or picking fruit in nearby orchards, Coldstream is one of the most desirable communities in the Okanagan, full of heart and an active, healthy living, safe neighborhood. This isn't just a house. It's a place where milestones are celebrated, traditions are made, and families grow, one beautiful day at a time. 11410 Tassie Drive, Coldstream.